On this video I'll show you how to convert Ethereum into AVAX. We do this through Binance. So I've already got my Ethereum in here, 3.724 Ethereum. So what I want to do is go to trading, so we click on trade. That brings us through to the trading page and we are going to look for AVAX. And here we have AVAX to Ethereum. So let's click on this pair and we can see the price here. So scroll down the page slightly. What I want to do is buy AVAX, so we're going to go max, so let's bring that up to 100%, and that's 3.7242 Ethereum. Actually we'll come back just a little bit, so we've got a little bit of Ethereum left in there. Let's go 3.7, let's go 3.7, so $7,715 at the moment. Let's just check the price, 0.107. sellers there, we can get that for less than that. Let's buy that 105. We can go 3.7 Ethereum, 7715. Let's put the order in there. Buy order created, and we can see the order sat here, and we just need to wait for that to convert. So we're in the buy at 1005. Might take a few moments, probably not a huge amount of liquidity in here just at this moment. Let's just wait. Okay, that's not happening, so let's just cancel that order first of all. So that's been cancelled. Let's come back in at 106 and we will do 3.71 Ethereum. So we got 106, buy order created. Sat in the middle. Hopefully we should get this filled reasonably quickly this time. Partially filled, 1.71%. See if there's some more takers. A bit more, 12.26. Should be at the front of the queue now, so I'm hoping this will all get all the way through. 19.73% done. 100%, there we go. So that's now filled. So we've now got our Ethereum converted into AVAX. Hope you found that video useful. If you'd like more videos like this, how to put your money to work, that's what my channel is all about. Do give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and pass any questions you got in the comments. Thanks for watching.